What's going on YouTube? SRT Dad, and today we have a jam-packed video, but we're going to start off. You can see I have the drag pack in the back of the Magnum. No, I'm not putting it on the Magnum, I'm actually selling them. I'm going to meet with the buyer right now, so that's how we're going to start the video. Don't worry, I'll be replacing this drag pack with the better set. Anyways, let's go ahead and let's get started. Let's go! All right, my boy right here, he's gonna get the drag pack. All right, what we got, man? What we got here?
You know, we got the SRT, the 6-1 swap, nothing major, man, you know, on the 20s in the back. Yeah, we got going on straight swap. Came out of a 300C, wrecked the old SRT8, but you know, we back.
So you wrecked the old SRT8, you put everything into this one?
Yeah, everything, shit. Everything done by me too.
Yeah,
so,
did it yourself.
Yeah, so the engine, everything. So basically built the car for free, starting over.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. And you said you got a supercharger for it?
Yeah, I got a supercharger about to go
What kind of Hellcat supercharger or?
Nah, Vortex.
Vortex?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, you know, it's about to be some nice E85.
Okay. How much did you buy this one for?
$800.
Get the fuck out of here, yeah?
Yeah.
Was it running or was it like?
No, it was a running 5.7, but
yeah.
it was kind of messed up.
Yeah.
It wasn't all the way there, but it was still
Hey, $800, man.
Hey, you can't beat it, man.
Yeah, bro. All right, well let's get you these wheels, bro. Hell yeah, nice to meet you, my man.
Bro, nice to meet you.
Sweet. Hey, good kid. Man, I can't wait to see his build get going. He's loving them wheels. Can't wait to see him on there, guys. All right, let's get going. I gotta get these cats on the charger and explain to you guys what's going on. Alright guys, so I'm on my way to SRT Auto Works. I'm getting the cats put back on the charger, the Cook's high flow cats. I'm gonna meet up with Tommy over there and get these things put on. And then tomorrow, I'll be getting it retuned at UMS. Get these cats put on. She'll still sound good after though. Promise you guys. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I took it to SRT Auto Works yesterday. They put the cats back on, and this is what it sounds like. Let's take it outside. Still pretty loud, guys. Still pretty loud. All right, so I put the Magnum in the garage, moving some cars around, but here's what she sounds like again. It's more on the outside right here, no echo effect. All right, so we're gonna go get it tuned, but I'll tell you guys more about it in the car. All right, guys, so I was on my way to get my car tuned. When I went to get the cats put on, Tommy did show me pictures of the engine mounts. They were pretty bad now, and the engine hadn't really been moving. It was fine, but right now it just started moving a lot. And I did like a little pull just to test it out before taking it to the dyno, and it put me in limp mode, and I got a misgear ratio code, and I got left stranded. I had to restart the car, and it started luckily. But that's because the engine's shifting too much, so I don't want to put it on a dyno and then have something like on the transmission break on their dyno. So I'm gonna get it fixed. I'm not gonna be able to go to the dyno today, unfortunately. But yeah, that's what's going on right now, guys. All right, so I just met up with call him a follower. He bought my catless mids. He's only gonna be running them when he legally races on a track. But what we got, bro? What we got?
Legally.
Yeah, legally. Who we got, man? Introduce yourself.
Geo, you feel me?
Geo. East RT Geo. What you got, man?
Yeah.
What is this? What is this?
Big 6'4", you feel me?
Big ass 6'4".
Big 6'4".
What's done, man? Let's see it. Fucking pop that shit. Pop the hood. Fuck it. This who just bought my catless mids. Huge discount. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Get some rollers.
Yeah. Take a pics. He liked the Maggie.
Get some rollers.
Hell yeah. All right, so unfortunately, I wasn't able to take it to the dyno. I am scheduled to take it to SRT Auto Works. I'm going to be taking it next week. She was going to get new motor mounts, control arms, just a lot of little maintenance things. Luckily for me, SRT Auto Works just opened up a maintenance department. So if you guys are looking to get your Mopars fixed, check out SRT Auto Works. But you're probably wondering, why did I even put my high flow cats back on? And that's really because I've been getting in trouble with law enforcement out here. These loud exhaust laws are getting out of hand over here, but just I gotta comply, gotta play by the rules. You know what I mean? I don't want to get a ticket and have them look under the car and see there's no cats. So that's why I did that. But don't worry, guys. We're gonna get the charger going. We'll get her back to 100%, and we'll get her on the dyno again. All right. That's gonna be all for today. I'm SRT Dad. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.
That's on my board. What you listen to?
SRT.